Hey guys, so today we are hosting, and this is what I have to cook a snack for my visitors. So we have some eggs, we have some duma, then we have some milk, and then we have some flour, and also we have some nyanya and kitungu to make kachumbari and some serviettes. So today we are not gonna do a DIY video. Today we are going to do a cooking video. And I decided that for this recipe, I'm going to make mandazi and I'm going to follow the recipe on the mandazi flour packet. I just wanted to know what they envisioned it will taste like from the company. I also have some milk. This one is for personal use, some coffee, and some Royco. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in this video. So guys, I hope that you'll enjoy. If you are new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So I also bought this pilau masala spice that is whole. I'll be grinding it on my own and I'll see if it tastes as good. And then I'm also trying out these sijui zinaitwa Alora. There are some panty liners. And then of course we have a Rimi. So let's get into the video and let's get straight into making the mandazi. So this is the X mandazi flour. At one side of it there is a recipe that I'll try to use, although I did not follow it 100%, but you'll see. So I used 8 cups of flour, I used 4 eggs, I used a tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 spoons of cardamom, and then I used almost 2 packets of milk. And what else did I put? A pinch of salt and some sugar. So yeah, let's get right into it, and I hope that you'll enjoy the video. So kwa sababu hizi ingredients zilikuwa za 2 cups, lazima ningefanya hesabu like adding those things. Like I wanted to really like have a good tasting mandazi, and somebody also taught me how to add mala into flour and to make mandazi with it. And yeah, I really like them. So wacha tupike mandazi leo. I hope that you'll enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna put some music on and see you at the end of the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So as the oil gets hot, we are going to now roll this flour into pieces. So I'm using this table as my rolling board. I'll just flatten the flour, and then I'll use a cup to make round shapes because I wanted them to be nicely even, and I'm not so good at cutting, so I'll be using a cup. Yeah, the old way, kama ushago.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, Where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time?
So now this is what we have. The mandazi is soft and yummy. I hope that you have learned a thing or two. So the reason I turn immediately is to avoid them being puffy on one side. And then these are some pineapples that I had peeled, and these are the peels. I normally boil them with cinnamon and some sugar, and they make for some really nice pineapple juice. You can do it plain if you like to, or you can ferment it to alcohol if you want to. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and may God bless you so much. See you in my next video, and bye.
What if you been sitting there and thinking?